What's up, you guys? This is Chris with Patches Patches for the culture. Hope some of your embroidery businesses are off to a good week. Over here in the shop, we just got done making these cool Honda element patches right here. Check these out. Got 4 different colors. We use the 7.25 inch MightyHoop right here. As you can see, we have not taken it off the hoop yet. We still got to apply some fray check to each patch. We're also going to use our Cricut Easy Press so that way we can add some iron-on backing to the back of these patches. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take some photos of these patches so we can load them up to our Etsy shop for all of the Honda element enthusiasts out there. With this patch, we use some black twill fabric, as you can see in the background. On the back of the patch, we use some cutaway stabilizer. If you would like to purchase some of this pre-cut cutaway stabilizer, click on our Amazon link down below. That link will take you to our affiliate page on Amazon, where we have various categories of all the different embroidery supplies we use here in the shop. One item you'll find in our Amazon affiliate page is this spot on Versa oil right here. We use this oil to keep our Brother Persona and our Brother SC625s lubricated. Also, if you didn't notice, one of our SC625s is not up on the rack. We do plan on trading in one of our SC625s so that way we can get another bigger machine. We might end up getting another Brother Persona like this one here, or we may get the upgraded Brother Persona, which has the 8 by 12 inch embroidery area. But who knows for now? We'll see on the 17th when we go to our Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum event. Another product we use that can be found on our Amazon link is these 8 inch by 8 inch squares right here. They come in a pack of 100. These cutaway stabilizers we use for our Brother SC625. We also use them for our 5.5 inch MightyHoop. Yes, these will work for the 5.5 inch MightyHoop. We use them all the time. So if you want to pick up a 100 pack of cutaway stabilizer, click on our Amazon link below. 2 other items you will find on our Amazon affiliate page are these magnetic backings that we use for some of our patches. Of course, we got the Craftopia right here. These are the 4 by 6 inch sheets. You get a 10 pack. We also got the Magic Fly. The reason we got one of each brand is because we wanted to see if there's any differences or comparison between the two. For the most part, they are the same, but with the Magic Fly, you do get 5 extra more sheets as opposed to the Craftopia where you only get 10. But if you guys wanted to pick up some magnet sheets that you can add onto the back of your patches, these are great options and they can be found in the link below. And last but certainly not least will be these bubble mailers right here, along with some crystal clear baggies. We use these crystal clear baggies for all of our packaging. We always have just a combination of purple or blue bubble mailers. But if you would like to pick up some bubble mailers and some crystal clear baggies, click on that Amazon link below, you guys. But this has been Chris with Patches for the culture. Once again, we're showing off those cool Honda element patches. Yes, indeed. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up like button. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also click that notification bell so that way you're notified whenever we upload future content. And we're gonna get up out of here. Peace.